Look at this, some of this Maytag garbage package heat pump. As soon as you fire it up, it's got the shakes. It's doing a Michael J. Fox impression right there for you. Right out of the box. And holy smokes, the controls in this thing are straight from 1987. The inlet and outlet don't match anything that's been really put out prior to this, so it doesn't fit anything. I'm not impressed. Maytag, who actually makes this hunk of shit? I like how they got the model seal number on the plate, so if you had a roof full of these, you could go swapping plates around to keep shit in warranty. That'd be real cute. Nortek. What garbage.